Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So I was thinking of doing a quick repotting of one of the haworthia. I was a little bit confused whether I should go for this one or this one, but then I thought I will go with this one because it is getting a little congested with the elegant, so I thought I will give it enough space for it to grow. So I thought I will invite you guys to do a quick repotting along with me. So the first and the most important thing, I will try to get the succulent out from the soil. A little difficult because the roots have reached quite deep into the soil, but these tools are really coming in use, so I'm going to take it up and lift it up, and there we go. We were able to take it out. Now I can use my hand. You can see the roots are looking quite healthy. The succulent itself is looking quite healthy. So I'm not very sure about what exact ID is this, so I'm really sorry, but it definitely is an haworthia. So let's first clean it up. There is a lot of dust on it, so we will quickly clean up the succulent, take off all of the dry leaves, because as I've always said, this is the right time to clean the succulent. Take a close look at your succulent. You can see some pieces of perlite stuck around the root area. So perlite tends to work out really well, but as I've said this earlier as well, it's very important that you try and lock the perlite inside the soil. So I think we are cleared the roots. Thankfully, no mealybugs in the root area. Looks absolutely clean. I'll give it a quick blow from all the dust so they can be fresh. And then I will also clean if there is any dust on the lower side of the succulent. I will do another brush after some time after I'm done with the repotting, but this is the right time to clean off because we won't get this chance again after we have repotted. And you can see the beautiful coloration that's coming up on the succulent. Looks absolutely beautiful. So we'll clean it up. This is all the dirt. So our succulent looks very clean, very fresh. So it's time to repot it. I have an old concrete pot. Just going to cover the drain hole. And I have my 80% aquarium sand, 20% filtered garden soil. And then we will just keep the succulent in the center. I'll go and fetch a little bit more of soil. So I'm back with some more of the soil. This is really old soil, so the color is going to look a little bit different. I have been trying to recycle the soil from older pots that I have. So just cover up all of the root area. Just give it a tap. I would need a little bit on this side. That's about it. So now the succulent has been repotted. A final cleaning. I know that there is not much dust, but we'll still give it a good clean. And that's all about it. As you can see, it's pretty simple to pot your succulent. You do not need to be worried, especially if you have your soil mix in place, if you are confident about your soil mix, if you are confident about your succulents, you do not need to be worried. It's going to be pretty simple. Now all we have to do is wait for another probably 4 to 5 days. Succulent is well hydrated, no dehydration, no wrinkles on the leaves. So we will water after 5 to 6 days. If I want, I can keep the succulent in morning direct sunlight because that's where the succulent was. It was getting a full morning direct sunlight for 5 to 6 hours. So I'm going to place it in the same place where it is going to receive a good amount of light. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.